The Army spokesperson has confirmed that the Commissioner of Mayom County in United States and some of his family members, including bodyguards, were killed on Friday night. General Lul Ruai Koang said James Chuol Gatluak Manime was attacked by army men loyal to General Stephen Buay Rolnyang at his residence at around 2 a.m. local time. Lul did not state how many of Commissioner's family members were killed. I confirm to you that on 22nd of July at around 2 a.m., some outlaws loyal General Stephen Buay assassinated the Commissioner of Mayom County, Honorable James Chuol Gatluak. The information I'm getting is that he was killed with some of his bodyguards and family members. Those killed alongside Commissioner James Chuol have been identified as John Joklina Bakong, Gatfan Duar, Gaduil Jang, Yen Top, Tim York, and Majegbol. Others are Gadei Takashi, Gadet Maliet, and Ray Ok Wiye, according to posts by netizens. In a statement seen by radio, iRadio, on social media, the South Sudan People Movement or Army lead by General Stephen Buay Rolnyang claimed responsible for the attack. The statement cited General Buay as saying his force attacked Mayom County at around 3 a.m. local time after SSPDF killed one of the soldiers on Thursday. The responsibility was claimed by Stephen Buay Rolnyang. Then we can assume that it was politically motivated, but it was very unfortunate that the fact that instead of attacking a military target, they attacked a vulnerable person, that is James Chuol. However, General Buay's statement didn't mention how many people were killed during the attack.